Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will demonstrate how to send a group email from your database in regards to the coronavirus. I provided you with all the assets required. These are the only assets approved by ANZ. If you are a sole operator, you are permitted to change the reference of team to individual. Edit out we and replace with I. Ensure you adjust the grammar accordingly. First, we'll set up the email structure. Click on Single enews. Open up your email, double-click the attached text file, highlight the URL under Mobile Lending Image. Click the plus icon, press Ctrl V to paste. Click the upload icon. Open the text file, highlight the URL for the ANZ link. Click Ctrl C, click on the link field, press Ctrl V to paste, click in any open space to refresh. Open the text file, highlight the link title, press Ctrl C, click into the article subject text, press Ctrl V, click on any open space to refresh. As mentioned, you can edit your text. Do that here. You notice that I've placed return carriage tags between the lines. This will ensure the text is easily read by your clients. Please do not change these. Highlight all the text, click Ctrl C to copy, click into the field opening quote, click Ctrl V, click on any open space to refresh. You have now completed your setup. Reopen your email, and we are now going to save the PDF to your local computer so that it is available to use later on as an attachment. You must ensure that any email address in Compass is structured correctly, or Outlook will block them. Click the reports icon located top right. Click the email error icon on the top row. If there are any errors, Compass will display a list. Examine the email address. Look for any errors or spaces before, between or after the email. In this case, the information after the @ symbol is incorrect. Click the reports icon. When a splash screen displays, indicating no errors, you're good to go. Go to the home screen, click Clients. It is a good idea to do a test email to yourself. Ensure the record is 1 of 1 is displayed. Single enews. Add the attachment that you saved earlier. Click Email. Open the email in your outbox. If it has already been sent, wait for it to return. Check the email content and the attachment. If you are satisfied, delete any emails from the outbox. Return to Compass. Click Clients. Click on Show All icon if it is displayed. Click Comms. Add your attachment. Click Email. Send email. Compass will automatically remove any primary records with no email address and remove any records that are set to Do Not Email. If you need any further assistance, please give me a call. Have a great day. Till next time.